All right, hello everybody. Today I'm doing a screencast video on how I'm using study material and assessment tools online. So I use Google Forms as one of my assessment and study guide tools for my students. So one thing that I really like about it is I can pose up here at the top the title of what this form entails. So if I could do units or subtopics or anything, the students will know what I want them to complete and what the things you're going to be talking about, as in I mean the questions they're going to be talking about. So as I really like it, you can adjust your questions like I've done here. I've done a check boxes question. But over here, you can see there's short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, drop down menus. I can upload pictures and set time schedules to this. I can do a bunch of different things, and I really like that. As you can see, as I scroll down, I have 5 questions altogether. A bunch of them are different from short answer to paragraph to multiple choice to even check boxes. So I think this is a really great tool to, push out information really fast so I can collect feedback. And how I collect my feedback is I come to my responses sections and I can see whenever they complete it, it just automatically sends it to me. They don't need to do anything further to even send it into me. So it's a great tool for that. So it's quick and easy for everyone. I can get a summary of everything, see everybody's responses. I'm collected data on 3 of my peers, and I can just see everyone that they picked. I can see if they were right or wrong, and if I needed to go back and revisit material, this gives me the opportunity to see that. And then I can look at the questions. I can look at the individuals as well, and even if I need to update the questions for future. Another thing I really like is I can customize my theme. I can customize color and do a bunch of other cool options to keep it interesting and not just the same old thing. I can put images and I can even do background, stuff as well to make it just pop and give it an extra appeal. I can also come to settings. I can, put it as a quiz and make it for that so I can even get a grade for it. I can collect the emails, I can limit my responses, and I can edit stuff even further. So I believe Google Forms is a great tool, and I'm doing, looking at assessment tools, looking at quiz and study material tools. So I think it's a great thing to have for online. I think that everyone and you guys should go out and try it as well. Thank you.